Okay, so it says here the second term of a geometric sequence is 3 plus 2 root 2. The third term of the sequence is 13 plus 9 root 2. Find the value of the common ratio of the sequence. And then give your answer in the form a plus root b, where a and b are integers, and you must show you're working. Now, a geometric sequence is when something is being multiplied to get to the next one. As an example, if we have a term in a sequence, let's call it 2, and we multiply that by 5, then we get the answer 10 as the next term in the sequence. So here, 2 is the first term, 10 is the second term, and 5 is the common ratio. Now, to find that common ratio, if we didn't know it, but we knew it was being multiplied by something, we would take the 10 and divide it by 2. And 10 divided by 2 would give us 5. Now, if we take that exact same approach with this question, the third term, 13, plus 9 root 2, and we divide that by the term before, 3 plus 2 root 2, that right there is our common ratio. However, it says it wants it in the form a plus root b, which means this fractional common ratio, which has got surds in, needs to be rationalised. So in order to rationalise this, we would need to multiply the top and bottom by 3 minus 2 root 2. Again, it's what's on the bottom of our fraction, but changing the symbol. So we'll do that top and bottom. We've got a lot of surds to multiply, but that is going to give us our common ratio, and once it's rationalised, hopefully it falls into the form a plus root b. Now, the denominator is always the easiest to multiply here, because we only have to multiply the first terms and the last terms. Okay, you're going to know surds quite well here, but 3 times 3 is 9. And then 2 root 2 times negative root 2 gives us a negative. 2 times 2 is 4. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. So it's 4 times 2, which is 8. And 9 minus 8 on the denominator gives us 1. So our new denominator is going to be 1. The numerator requires a little bit more working out. So we need to write a double bracket, 13 plus 9 root 2, multiplied by 3 minus 2 root 2. Now when we expand this, 13 times 3 gives us 39. 13 times negative 2 root 2 is negative 26 root 2. 9 root 2 times 3 is 27 root 2. And 9 root 2 times 2 root 2, which is the hardest one there, which is 18 times, and then root 2 times root 2 is 2, so 18 times 2, which gives us negative 36. I can now simplify this, so we're going to collect like terms. 39, take away 36 is 3, and negative 26 root 2 plus 27 root 2 is just 1 root 2, or 3 plus root 2. Now, because the denominator is 1, that means our fraction, when we put this back as a fraction, we get 3 plus root 2 over 1, which does just simplify to 3 plus root 2. And there we go, that is the common ratio there, and it's in the form a plus root b, where a and b are both integers. We've shown all of our working, and there we go. There is a difficult surds question, non-calculator, that also involved some geometric sequences. If you want all 9 questions like this in one place, then grab my REVISE9 revision grids completely free. Click the link in the description, create your free account, and unlock them inside Upgrade or TGMT4T. Simply head to the REVISE9 tab, select Higher or Crossover, and download them instantly.